Nice place we never will forget. We visited this place last year for one night only, which we felt regret. We should have stayed for 2 to 3 nights. Nice location, just less than 100 meters away from the beach. A lot of restaurants along the beach. Nice hot breakfast cooked and served at our villa, a gem. Quite convenient. There are 2 24-hour stores, 7-Eleven, less than 100 meters, and G25, less than 200 meters, nearby. Walking distance to Dongdaemun Metro/subway, shopping malls were approximately 5 minutes away. Myeongdong Station is 2 stops from Dongdaemun Station. For me, I prefer taking a bus along the main road, which is just opposite the 7-Eleven. Bus 463, 5 stops away and less walking. One thing to take note is that the place has no lift and it's not really soundproof. I'm lucky to have booked the 2nd level and met a wonderful staff who helped me with my heavy luggage, check-in and check-out. However, during my last night staying there, my neighbors were not that considerate. Past 12 a.m. they were talking to their friends, I assume, who were staying upstairs. Both at their door, so you can imagine how loud they were. And also at 2 am plus, making noise till I woke up and couldn't fall back asleep until 8 am plus. When the staff knocked on my door at 11 a.m., I forced myself to wake up, and you can imagine how tired I am. Despite the bad experience I've encountered on the last night, I would be glad to stay with them again. I love this good price. Good, it's very good. Very clean and comfortable. Location near exit subway station. There have automatic flush toilet. The lights in room are good for taking pictures and selfie. Ha ha ha. Don't have elevator but the stairs okay. Poor Wi-Fi in room, underground floor, poor phone signal. You restroom have lit smell. A hidden gem near Dongdaemun. So glad I found this place. Mattress and bedding are as comfortable as those of a 5-star hotel. The staff is very help and accommodating. The petty room is compact and thoughtfully designed but can be a bit crowded for 2 people. I travel solo this time. It's not 100% soundproof but not a big problem for me personally. Good stay. Room we picked was the one in the basement. Room size was just enough if you intend the place to be just for sleep and shower. Although quite small and difficult to move around if you have big luggages. Quiet neighborhood, so that's good. Would recommend this place if a friend is looking for a place stay in Dongdaemun.